Hey loves, this is Sheija. I hope you all are safe and doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful looking macrame plant hanger. This is very easy to make. Apart from serving the purpose, it is also a beautiful piece of home decor. Come, let's get started. I bought this macrame cord of 3 mm thickness and these beads came along with them. I don't think I'll be using them. The things you'll need is a macrame cord or any other cord which serves the purpose, scissors, a scale or a measuring tape. I took 8 cords of 4 meter length and 2 cords of 1 meter each. First set all the 8 cords together and then fold it into half to find the center. We are going to mark the center with a lark's head. Using the 1 meter cord, insert the 1 meter cord to the 8 folded cords and pull the rest of the cord through the loop created. Now, unfold the 8 cords. This lark head is to mark the center of the 8 cords. Now we are going to make square knots. For making the square knots, use the rightmost and the leftmost cord. First, fold the leftmost cord into a 4 and then place the rightmost cord on top of it and bring it behind the middle cords and pull it through the loop. Pull this tight to create a knot. This is the first half of the square knot. To finish the square knot, we have to do the same in reverse side. Fold the rightmost cord into a 4 and then place the leftmost cord on top of it. Bring it behind the middle cords and then pull it through the loop created. Pull this tight. This is a square knot. Continue making 6 such knots. After finishing 6 square knots on one side of the 8 cords, remove the lark heads which we made to mark the center of the cord. Turn it over and do 6 more square knots on the other side of the 8 cords. This is going to act as the loop. Align the ends of the square knot and then we are going to secure it with the gathering knot. For this, make use of the 1 meter cord. Make a loop leaving a short tail on top and then using the long end of the cord, wrap it round as much as you need it. Insert the long end into the loop and pull the short tail we left on the top and secure the wrap knot. Now cut off the excess cords. Now separate the cords into 4 groups, each having 4 cords, and then leave about a 15 cm gap, and I'm going to start making the spiral knots. Spiral knots are nothing but the square knots. We are going to do only the first half of the square knot without doing the reverse knot. Fold the leftmost cord into a 4, place the right one on top of it, bring it behind the middle cords and then pull it tight. Continue doing in the same side. Continue making the 4 on the left side cord and then place the right one on top of it, bring it behind the middle cord and then pull it through the loop and pull it tight. Continue making the knots on the same side. This will create the spiral. Halfway through you can see the spiral coming out. Keep making the spiral knots on all 4 group of cords. Now I'm going to make alternating square knots to connect all 4 group of cords. You can also make normal alternating knots to connect the 4 group of cords. First leave about 5 cm gap and then make a square knot connecting the first 2 group of knots. Repeat this for connecting all the 4 group of cords. Hang your macrame in a place where you can work with it. Now I am doing the second row of alternating square knots. This will create a basket-like thing where you can place your pot. Insert your pot inside it and check if it fits. The 5 cm and 3 cm gap I left depends upon your height of the pot. If your pot is too big, you have to leave the gap according to it. Now I am leaving about a inch gap and securing it with a wrap knot, which we did earlier to secure the loop on the top. Trim the excess cords. You can leave it as it is if you like it, but I'm going to add some cord in the first row using lark head knots. After adding the cords, I trimmed it in V shape and then unwinded the cords and then gave it a nice comb and trimmed it again. That's all, your macrame pot hanging is ready. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching, love. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe, stay awesome, stay cool. Bye bye.